Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How's life today? Are you feeling good now? Okay, good. I'm good, thanks. Okay, before we start our lesson today, it's better for us to start with prayer. Okay, let's pray together. Okay, anybody absent today? I will check your attendance one by one. Alula Sehat, Cahaya Berliani, Afdal Maina, Rasha Saputra, Fahmi. Okay, good. Everybody is present today. Are you ready to start our lesson today? Okay, good. But before that, I want to ask you about the material last week that we have learned about it. Okay, what is the material? Okay, good. It is procedure text. Okay, Alula, can you give definition about the procedure text? Good. Procedure text is a kind of text that tells you about how to make something. Oke, jadi procedure text itu adalah salah satu jenis teks yang menjelaskan tentang cara atau langkah membuat sesuatu. Oke, so what is the social function of the procedure text or the purpose of procedure text? Good. Ya, tujuan kalian mempelajari procedure text adalah agar kalian bisa mengetahui cara atau langkah-langkah dalam melakukan atau membuat sesuatu. Okay, good. Who knows about the generic structure of procedure text? Okay, good. There are three parts of generic structure of procedure text. Okay, I think all of you have understood about the procedure text. Okay, students, before we are going to a new topic today, I want to give some questions for you. Have you ever spent your time to read some stories or watching the stories on TV or YouTube? Okay. And what kind of the story do you like most? Okay, good. Fairy tales, folk tales, legend, myth, fable. Oke, jadi ada beberapa cerita yang kalian suka untuk membaca ataupun menonton. Folk tale, cerita rakyat. Fairy tale, cerita dongeng. Myth, mitos-mitos. Fable, cerita tentang binatang. And legend dan legenda. Oke, Rasha, can you mention some legend in Indonesia? Alright, okay. Tangkuban Perahu, Malin Kundang, Danau Toba. We have some legend in Indonesia. Okay, in East Nusa Tenggara, it's located in the Regency. It's a legend. Okay, do you know? Okay, good. It is Kelimutu Lake. Okay, you know Kelimutu Lake has three kinds of colors. Okay, good. Okay, there's some stories that we have mentioned before. It is accordance with our new topic today. Okay, our new topic today is narrative text. Okay, students, I hope in the end of our lesson today, you must understand about the definition of narrative text, social function, generic structure, language feature, all about of narrative text. And you will be able to write narrative text by using your words. Okay, you got it? Oke, jadi akhir dari pembelajaran kita hari ini, Ibu berharap kalian mampu memahami tentang definisi dari narrative text, tujuan atau fungsi sosial, generic structure, dan unsur kebahasaan dari narrative text, dan kalian mampu untuk menuliskan teks naratif dengan menggunakan kata-kata kalian sendiri. Okay? Well, students, I have some reports for you. it is a kind of narrative text. Okay, jadi Ibu akan memberikan kalian salah satu jenis teks dari naratif, and you must read carefully and answer the question about the story. Jadi silakan baca dengan baik dan kemudian menjawab pertanyaan yang ada di dalam. Okay, students, have you finished? Okay, good. Okay, you have answered some question of the text of the story. Okay, good. What is the title of the text? Good. It is True Friends. What is True Friends? Okay, sahabat sejati. Where was the story happen? Okay, good. In the jungle. The story was happened in the jungle. Okay. Last one. What is the moral clue of the story? Okay. Anyone knows? Okay, the moral clue of the story is a true friend. Okay, the moral clue of the story is a true friend in need is a friend indeed. Jadi moral clue atau pesan moral yang ada dalam cerita tersebut adalah seorang teman sejati yang saat kita butuhkan itu adalah teman yang sebenarnya. Jadi seorang teman itu harus berada dengan kita baik suka maupun duka. Okay, it is moral clue of the story. Okay, so far any question for me? Okay, no question for finding. Okay, good. Okay, the narrative text. Okay, in each text it has definition, social function, general structure, and language feature. Okay, I want to ask you to listen carefully. I want to explain about the material narrative text. Okay, please look at the whiteboard. Okay, what is the definition of narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text that tells an imaginative story that happened in the past. Okay, jadi naratif teks itu adalah salah satu jenis teks yang menceritakan sebuah cerita khayalan yang terjadi di masa lampau. Ya, oke, ini sudah kita bahas tadi tentang cerita-cerita, legend, fabel, mitos, cerita dongeng, dan cerita rakyat. Oke, what is the social function of the text? Jadi apa sih fungsi sosial dari teks naratif ini? Oke, it is purpose to entertain or to amuse the reader or listener. Jadi untuk menghibur para pembaca dan para pendengar cerita tersebut. And to get the moral clue of the story. Jadi untuk mendapatkan pesan moral dari cerita tersebut. Okay, the next is the generic structure of narrative text. Okay, there are 4 parts of generic structure. The first one is orientation. Okay, this part is introduction. Okay, it is introduce the main character and place of story and the time of story. It is usually in the first paragraph. Okay, di bagian orientasi ini menjelaskan tentang perkenalan tokoh, kemudian tempat terjadinya cerita, waktu yang biasanya berada di paragraf pertama. Okay, next. The second one is complication. It is about the beginning of the problems of the story. Oke, yang bagian kedua adalah komplikasi, itu menjelaskan tentang munculnya masalah yang terjadi di dalam cerita tersebut. Oke, the third is resolution. Okay, in this part tells about the problem solving. Jadi bagian ketiga ini adalah tentang resolution, menjelaskan tentang penyelesaian masalah yang terjadi pada bagian komplikasi, masalah-masalah yang muncul pada bagian complication. And the last one is reorientation. Okay. Jadi untuk bagian reorientation itu it usually tells about the moral flow. Okay, the moral flow of the story. Jadi bagian resolution ini menjelaskan tentang pesan moral yang ada dalam cerita tersebut. Okay. Language feature of narrative text. Okay, the first one is using past tense. Okay, penggunaan simple past tense karena narrative text itu menjelaskan tentang cerita-cerita yang telah lalu. Jadi kita menggunakan pola kalimat, yaitu pola kalimat past tense yang menggunakan verb to atau bentuk kata kerja kedua. Okay, next is adverb of time or adjective. Jadi menggunakan kata keterangan waktu. Okay, for example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. Okay. And then adjective. Nice, kind, bad, ugly, okay, etc. Okay, the next is using action verb. For example, run, climb, hit, brought. Okay. The next is using conjunction. Okay, menggunakan kata penghubung. Then, after that, finally. Okay. The last one is using direct speech. Okay, menggunakan kata kalimat langsung. Okay, di dalam cerita naratif itu ada penggunaan direct speech. For example, in the story of Snow White. Jadi contoh direct speech di cerita Snow White itu ketika dia berbicara dengan paman dan bibinya, she said, dia mengatakan bahwa I want to go with you. Saya ingin pergi dengan atau bersama kalian. Jadi menggunakan present tense untuk direct speech. Okay, students, I have explained all about narrative text. Okay, do you have any question for me? Have you understood about my explanation about narrative text? Okay, no question? Okay, no question for the time being. Okay, class, I will divide you in some groups and I will share you the worksheet. It is still the same story about the true friends, and I ask you to analyze the gender structure of the story. Okay, in the story of true friends. Okay, cool. Now please prepare yourself. You will present your task in front of class. Are you ready? Okay, good job. Okay, students, you have present your task in front of class, and all of you give the good presentation today. Okay, please give applause for you all. Well, student, today you have learned about the narrative text. I hope all of you can understand about this material. Okay, before that, I want to ask Alula, please tell me about the definition of narrative text. Okay, good. Narrative text is a kind of text tells about the imaginative story to entertain the readers. Okay, maybe Fiastri, can you mention the generic structure of narrative text? Good job. Okay. And the last is the language feature. Maybe Abda, can you mention the language features of narrative text? Okay, excellent. Well, student, in the next meeting, I will give you a worksheet more, and you will rewrite the story about true friends by using your words. Okay, students, please read or listen more stories, because we can get the important thing in the the story, it is a moral value. It can make our life is better. Oke, jadi silakan banyak membaca atau mendengarkan cerita-cerita, karena yang terpenting dalam cerita tersebut adalah kita memperoleh pesan moral yang ada di dalam cerita tersebut yang bisa mengubah hidup kita menjadi lebih baik. Okay, don't forget to keep study in your house. Don't be lazy and keep studying for your bright future. Okay, students, before we close our lesson today, let's say Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.